3T6B Portable UV Sanitizer Lamp, USB Charging Sterilizer Portable Lamp, UV Light Sanitizer, Ozone Sterilizer Portable Sterilizer Lamp, Mini Sterilizer Lamp suitable for car, household refrigerator. Ultraviolet Germicidal Lamp, 99% bacteria-killing UV light design and ozone synchronize working can kill germs without the use of chemicals. Cleans and sanitizes air by killing bacteria, viruses, mites, mold, effectively improve living environment. Protable and Small Size, it's a germicidal lamp with dimension 1.34 1.34 6.65 inch. UV disinfection and sterilization is widely used living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, refrigerator, shoe cabinet, car, pet nest, etc. It can purifies the air and eliminate odors. Specifications: wattage, 5W voltage, DC5V mode, UVC+O3 certification, CE+FC+RoHS Germicidal light will work 10 seconds after power on, 10 sec for leaving, and automatically power off after 15 minutes. Use safety, human and pets have to be keep away when it's working. It can be used twice after each charge, once available for 15 minutes. It is recommended to use the portable charger for charging. Note: ultraviolet radiation can cause skin and eye burns. Please pay attention to the protection. When using UV disinfection, please keep your body away from the lamp and do not look at the light directly. Any question about this UV light, just feel free to contact us. We are very happy to help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.